even think they opened anything today.
What was the temperature today?
67.
What's the temperature right now?
67. It's not supposed to cool off tonight, it's just 67. It didn't warm up today.
Beautiful Florida weather for our first day here. Kailum, do you like the hot tub?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kailum, did you like Disney World?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you go to Disney World?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you go to Disney World?
Yeah.
Can you show Mom and Dad how to swim?
Okay, swim to the camera, swim. Move your arms and feet. Kick, kick, kick.
Ooh, look at you go. You must have taken swimming lessons.
Can you do the back float? Float on your back. Okay, float. Hold on a minute.
Kailum, can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Not right now, hey?
Okay, swim. Can you sing?